Welcome to a brand new episode. Feeling overwhelmed and struggling to get things done? You're not alone. These 5 productivity hacks will help you take control, work smarter, and actually achieve your goals. The 2-minute rule is simple. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and clears mental space for bigger priorities. Time blocking is a game changer. Assign specific time slots for your tasks and stick to them. This creates structure in your day and ensures you're focusing on what matters most. Batch processing means grouping similar tasks together. Instead of jumping between emails, calls, and writing, focus on one type of task at a time. This reduces mental fatigue and boosts efficiency. Break your work into focused 25-minute sessions with 5-minute breaks in between. This method, called the Pomodoro technique, keeps you energized and prevents burnout. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize your tasks. Focus on what's both urgent and important, delegate what's urgent but less important, and eliminate distractions. Hack number 6, eat the frog. Start your day by tackling your hardest or most important task first. Once you've conquered it, everything else feels easier. Hack number 7, the 80-20 rule. Also known as the Pareto principle, this hack focuses on identifying the 20% of tasks that deliver 80% of your results. Hack number 8, the one-touch rule. When you encounter a task, an email, a message, or a document, deal with it immediately. Respond, file, or delete it. This prevents tasks from piling up and saves you time. Hack number 9, energy-based scheduling. Work according to your natural energy levels. Do your most demanding tasks during high-energy periods and save routine work for when you're feeling less focused. Hack number 10, leverage technology automation. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders, organizing files, or posting on social media. This saves time and frees up mental space for more creative work. What's your go-to productivity hack? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to help you work smarter and achieve your goals.